what is your line on when a patient asks for a prescription drug? You know, it's interesting to see the FDA's response, that at the end of the day, this is an approved drug for these three things. Ultimately, this is between a doctor and the patient. This is no ordinary patient, right? It's the President of the United States. When you have felt pressured to prescribe something from a patient, maybe you're empathetic to the patient and you're also not convinced of the science. I got to think that's a tough situation for any medical doctor.
It is, and I'm a primary care physician, so I actually have been in this situation in many, many circumstances, largely after the president made that first announcement. And here's exactly what I say. This is a drug that's been around for decades for certain things, malaria, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, as we've mentioned. This is not something that has ever been shown to be helpful in coronavirus. I also have a frank discussion about the anxiety they're feeling, Chuck, because the reason they're asking for it is because we're all looking for some hope. And what I remind them is that this has a pretty large side effect profile that is actually death. I mean, and then I try just to make it a little more personal and say, if it were me, my family, or my loved ones, I would not take this risk. And I think that helps to diffuse it just a little bit.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.